Hello and welcome to CrochetSmash. In the last video, I was making a heart. So in this video also another pattern for a heart. I made two different methods. One is with the center in different color, and I'm going to use some scrap yarn in green color, and my hook is 5 mm. I'm going to start with a magic circle. And I'm going to make a 12 double crochet into the magic circle. So to make a double crochet, I start with the chain 3. That's the first one. Then I'm going to make a 12 double crochet into the magic circle. So make a 12 double crochets and we will meet again. Here my 12 double crochet is finished, so I am going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3, and now I can tighten the magic circle so there is no holes left over. In the next row I'm going to continue expanding the circle, so we are going to make a chain 3 and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Then we are going to make a 2 double crochet in each of the stitches. Finish making 2 double crochet in every stitch. We will have 24 double crochets including this chain 3. So finish that one and we will meet again. Now we finished the 24 double crochets, or 2 double crochet in each of the stitches. So I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 in the beginning. Now this is the last row I am going to do. So I'm going to make chain 1 and I'm going to do 4 stitches in this same beginning stitch. Chain 1, then which is not considered as a stitch. Then I'm going to make a 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet. Not double crochet. I'm going to make an extended double crochet. So yarn over hook, insert, bring up a loop and go through the first loop on the hook. Now you still have 3 loops on the hook. Grab the get the yarn over the hook, go through next 2 loops on the hook. Now you have 2 loops again. Get the yarn over hook and go through 2 loops again. That is 1 extended double crochet. Then chain 1, then make 1 more extended double crochet. Then an HDC, half double crochet. Okay, this is the point of the heart. Now we are going to make 1 HDC in each of the next 2 stitches. So 1 and 2. Then I'm going to make a single crochets in next 3 stitches. 1 single crochet each. 1, then the second single crochet and the third single crochet. So 3 stitches are done. Then we are going to make 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet, then 1 double crochet into the next stitch, then 1 double crochet and 1 extended double crochet into the same stitch. Then 2 extended double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So for the 2 extended single crochet in the next stitch, this one. Then we are going to do another 2 extended double crochet in the next stitch. Then in the next stitch, I'm going to make one extended double crochet and one double crochet. Both stitches are going to be in the same stitch. One extended double crochet, then one double crochet. Then in the next one, I'm going to make one double crochet. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the next stitch. That's the dip of the heart. Now I'm going to make one double crochet in the next stitch and one extended double crochet also in the same stitch. Then in the next stitch, I'm going to make two extended double crochet. And in the next stitch also, I'm going to make two extended double crochet. Right? Then I'm going to make in the next one extended double crochet and one double crochet. Extended double crochet and double crochet. Same stitch. Then one double crochet in the next one. One half double crochet into the next stitch. Then one single crochet in next stitch and one single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, I am going to make one single crochet and one half double crochet. Now I am going to join not to the chain one but to the half double crochet in the beginning. Did I make it? Oh yeah, half double crochet. Yes, and we can cut the yarn. That's a heart completed. Now I'm going to use my yarn needle and hide the yarn tail. That's a beautiful heart. Now let us make a small flower. So make a magic circle, then chain one, which is not considered as a stitch. I'm going to make a 10 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 single crochet, and then tighten the magic circle and join not in the first chain one but in the single crochet. Then you make a slip stitch to the next stitch, chain 2, make 3 half double crochet, 2 3, then chain 1, chain 2 and slip stitch, then slip stitch to the next stitch and slip stitch to the next one and make another petal with the chain 2, 3 half double crochet and chain 2. And slip stitch, then repeat till you get all the petals. Now we are on the 5th petal and I chain 2 in the last one and slip stitch. Now I'm going to slip stitch the next stitch and we can cut the yarn, leaving a little long tail so we can stitch this flower. Make sure to tighten the magic circle. Then we will just use the yarn needle and stitch it to hide this yarn tail, but making it secure. Now we can stitch this one to the center. Just bring it through the back and come to the center of the flower. Then go through the center of the heart. Come back up in another place. Go a couple of more times. I got a bead here, so I'm going to bring the needle to the top. I'm going to attach that bead. So you can make a flower to make it better, or you can start the center of the heart with a different color. So there are so many options. I show you how to make a flower and attach it too. So if you like this pattern, please like and subscribe to my channel, so my little channel can grow too. Thank you for all your help. See you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.